You're saying the affirmations. You're journaling every morning. You've got the vision board. You're doing everything right. So why is nothing changing? Here's what nobody in the manifestation space wants to admit. There is one mistake that almost every single person makes when they're afraid. And the more scared you are, the harder you do it. It's not your vibration. It's not your consistency. It's something much simpler than that. And you will never unsee it once I show it to you. The mistake is this: you are manifesting from your fear instead of through it. Here's what that looks like in real life. You say, I am abundant. But what you feel is, I am terrified of losing everything. You write, my dream job is coming. But what you mean is, please, 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 let something work out. You visualize the life you want, but underneath every visualization is a desperate prayer that your current reality changes. That desperation, that gap between what you're saying and what you're feeling, is static. And static drowns out your signal every single time. The law of attraction doesn't respond to your words. It responds to your dominant emotional frequency. And if your dominant frequency is fear, that is what you are broadcasting. That is what comes back. And before you feel bad about this, I need you to understand why this happens. When you are in genuine fear, job loss, financial pressure, a world that feels unstable, your brain is in survival mode. In survival mode, everything feels urgent. Everything feels like a threat. And so your manifestation practice becomes another form of urgency, another form of grasping. You're no longer attracting, you're clinging. There's a difference between someone who plants a seed with faith and someone who digs up the ground every day to check if it's growing yet. Both people want the same thing. Only one of them will get it. Fear makes you a digger, and you cannot grow anything when you keep pulling it up by the roots. So how do you stop manifesting from fear and start manifesting through it? 3 shifts. That's all this takes. Shift 1. From begging to knowing. There is a completely different energy between please let this happen and this is already done. Begging is fear in disguise. Knowing is faith in action. Start catching yourself every time your manifestation practice feels like begging, and gently, without self-judgment, shift the question from, will this happen for me? To, how is this already happening for me? That single question change moves you from fear frequency to faith frequency instantly. Shift 2. From future tense to present tense. I will be financially secure. Keep security permanently in the future. It never arrives. I am becoming financially secure, or I am financially secure, present tense, active, already in motion, tells your subconscious a completely different story. Your nervous system cannot tell the difference between something vividly imagined and something real. Use that. Speak about what you want as if it is already unfolding, because energetically, it is. Shift 3. Avoiding fear to including it. This is the one that changes everything. Stop trying to feel good when you don't. Stop performing positivity for the universe. The universe isn't fooled. Instead, acknowledge the fear. Name it. Sit with it for, let's say, 60 seconds, and then make a choice about where you place your focus next. You are not your fear. You are the one who notices it, who observes it. And that noticing, that tiny moment of awareness, is the gap between where your manifestation lives. Can I be direct with you for a moment? Manifestation is not magic. It is not a vending machine where you insert enough positive thoughts and your dream life falls out. It is a practice of alignment. And alignment requires honesty with yourself, about where you actually are right now. The most dangerous version of manifestation is the one where you use it to bypass your reality instead of transforming it. Your fear is real. Your situation is real. Acknowledging that is integrity. And integrity is the foundation of every genuine manifestation. Here is what I want you to take away today. You're not doing it wrong because you're scared. You're doing it wrong because you're scared and pretending you're not. The fix is simple, not easy, but simple. Feel the fear. Name it. Choose your focus anyway. That is manifestation. That is the whole thing. Whatever you're facing, I hope you rise. I hope you bloom.